Wow. Hello. Good morning. Let's get this awful plait out of my hair. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to a new vlog. It is 2020. Happy New Year's. I hope you really enjoyed your New Year's Eve. I was in bed by 9 and asleep by 9:15. That is my life right now. But today is Thursday and today is a great day because it's a daycare day. So, little update at the beginning before I start getting ready for my day. Today is a daycare day, so Z will go to school. Mussy has actually gone to work today. I think he has to work today, tomorrow, Saturday. And then he should be alright next week, hopefully. But we were planning on going away for a few days, but New South Wales is on fire and it's literally not safe to go holidaying anywhere. So I think next week we're going to do like a day trip. Zendaya really wants to go fishing. Marcy's really put it in her head to go fishing. So we're going to do that. But I haven't put anything up about our Christmas. So I'm going to insert all the clips that I have taken over the past week because I have picked up my camera but actually not vlogged. And I'm going to insert it all now. So it's going to be Christmas. We went to Clifton Gardens. And I'm not sure if I filmed anything else. It might be just those two. So I'm going to insert those right now. Good morning, guys.
We see Santa is downstairs.
Today is Christmas. So we're going to head downstairs to see if Santa came.
And we got Grinch.
Yeah, look, Grinch pajamas, twinning. Alright, so I'm going to make you stay upstairs.
Now I'm good down.
Yeah, I'm going to give Daddy the camera. And then I'll call you downstairs, okay?
Oh my God. It's not a present.
Look! 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 My goodness.
What's the lunch on here?
You got lots of presents.
Why are you just stepping on it? You're just stepping on it.
That's Santa. Oh my goodness.
What the heck?
That's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels and send you me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Oh my God!
It's a Barbie dog. Like that's not the Barbie dog. Is that the Barbie dog?
Yeah, I flipped the feet.
And you look after it.
Christmas in my heart.
What is that? Is that what you asked for?
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels and send you and me.
It's
Doesn't
a friend
matter, it's
maker.
Christmas in my heart.
You've been asking for one.
Yeah.
I went to DFO. It was an actual fail, but I did pick up this robe. I'm going to show you guys. I've been looking for a longer robe with long sleeve, but it's thin material. I just got some water on it. But this is my robe with my pregnant belly. And it is originally $100 and it was down to $19.99, then down to $9.50. That was a complete bargain. And then I just got some Hourglass candles from DFO, so that was amazing. But I'm going to start getting ready, and Z's just having some breakfast. I'm going to get some stuff done today. I'm going to sit down and make a list. I have to go to the post office, I have to go to Aldi's, I might go get my nails done and look for some stuff for the baby girl's room. And then I need to tidy up my room and just tidy up the house a little bit, that both people that live here that make the mess are not here. But make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next clip. Guys, I've just gone into Kmart to get a few things for baby girl's room. I was going to get my nails done today, but I decided I'm going to get them done closer to my baby sprinkle. But I'm already so, oh my god, I'm so exhausted already, and that was the loudest trolley ride to the car because it was all glass and the road is like bumpy as hell. But I think I'm gonna go to Spotlight because it's just up the road, then go to Aldi, post office, and then I'm gonna go home and chill the F out because this mama is already so tired and I'm so uncomfortable, and it's so muggy today as well, so that doesn't help, and I'm so swollen from that, so that's great for me. But I'm gonna go to Spotlight. Alright guys, you're a little bit on an angle, but that will have to do. I did everything but the post office again, but I'm saying but a lot. When I was at Aldi's, I needed to go to the bathroom so bad, pregnant life, so I had to come home. So I'm going to do it when I go pick her up or first thing tomorrow morning. But I went to Aldi's and Kmart, so I thought I might show you what I got. So I just got some cereal for Mussy and Daya, pasta. Zendaya loves these, like cheese and rice crackers. Just some snacks for me. These are actually really nice, probably not the healthiest. Some wafers and a sneaky coffee and cream chocolate for me because YOLO. The next thing I got was actually, I got a parcel. I got some wraps because me and Daya love wraps, and I'm going to have some chicken wraps. So for lunch I'll just have some chicken and cheese. So I've got shredded chicken. Mussy wanted these creamed rice because he's obsessed. Then I got a fresh pumpkin because we're going to have a roast tonight. And then these two chocolates, I tried the ice creams. I tried these last week. It's a hazelnut gelato and a coconut ice cream. Delicious, like absolutely so good. I got some lettuce, tomatoes, oh shite, tomatoes, some sour cream, because tomorrow we're going to have tacos for dinner. Then I got full cream milk, a skim milk, and these two kombuchas. These are so good. This is a peach and ginger one. I tried these last week as well because we did an Aldi shop for the first time in a really long time. And I got these, and these were only $2 on sale from, oh no, it's still going. And then I just got a dog food and eggs, and that's everything from Aldi. And then from Kmart, I brought some stuff for baby's room, a thing for Zendaya's room. So I brought this little camel because I thought it was really cute. Just realized it's chipped, so it's going to go this way. It was only $3, so I'm not sure which room I'll put this in. This will go in the baby's room. It's like a tea light candle salt one, but I'm not going to put a candle in it. I'm just going to have it upside down as like a decor. This will go into Daya's room. It's just like a little pot with like the flowers. Then I got some glasses. I'm not going to pull the box out because the box is actually broken, but we needed new drinking glasses, and those were only like $8. Then the last two things were these little flower thingy-majiggies, Grass Natural. These will go into the baby's room. And then I got this vase, which is going to sit on top of the dining table, and I'm going to get some fresh flowers. So that is our little shopping haul. Alright guys, I have literally been home for so long. I've been laying down in bed trying to fall asleep, but haven't. So I'm going to go pick up Daya, and then we might head off to the shop. Just depends what type of mood she's in. And then Dad, well, Mussy should be home very soon after we get home. But that's all I need to update you guys on. Guys, I am currently editing the vlog you are watching, and I don't have an outro, and I need to start putting outros in my videos instead of it just like fizzling out and ending weird. But thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, follow our journey. Baby girl is here next month, fingers crossed. So yeah, just to keep updated, make sure you subscribe and go follow us on Instagram, because when baby is born, that's where we'll be announcing it first. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next vlog. Bye guys. Mwah!
I see a sky